Hello everyone and namaste to all. My name is Ritika Karnal and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about how I am dealing with my 80% knee damage because of torn ligament. So before moving into this video, I want to tell you all, if you really liked watching this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started with the video. I guess I'm just a play date to you. So guys, now I'll tell you about how it happened and what was the main reason behind my knee damage. So on February 18th, 2021, I met with an accident while riding scooty. I was trying to learn scooty. When I was riding that scooty, I misbalanced it and त्यो scooty चाहिँ bumper मा ठोकेर it fell down, okay? And the way I fell down, it was not a big accident like meeting with vehicles and all, not like that, but I just fell down with that scooty. So unfortunately, my right knee was pressurized with my entire body weight. So I fell down. And just to molode, this day I just took a turn, right? I took a turn. My parents were there, my relatives were there, so they came and they massaged my leg. मेरो खुट्टा massage गर्न थाल्नु भयो उहाँहरूले. And my father, he sprinkled some water, cold water on my knees, and it was like that pain was like I can't describe it. It was like somebody stretching my leg with full power, full pressure, you know, that kind of pain I was having. So immediately they took me to the doctor, and doctor told it is a significant ligament tear. And at that time, I was not thinking that it would be so serious. X-ray was done and it was normal, and doctor told me to get one MRI done. Then after that we came home. हामी घर आएको बादमा my legs started swelling. It was completely swollen from my groin region till my toes. First of all, I lost my stability. Right? Suppose this is the thigh bone and this is the calf bone. It was like completely leaving its own place. It was completely leaving its place. So I was not at all able to walk. My right knees lost its stability completely. It was unstable. I was not at all able to handle my body pressure again with my right leg. I was not able to walk. So doctor told me to do complete bed rest. And I started doing ice compression. It is very helpful if you all are having some kind of swelling or some kind of sprain or something, twist leg or something, wherever it is, neck, leg, hands, wherever it is, I suggest you to do ice pack. It is very, very helpful. So after that, when my mom told me to stand, I was not able to stand. Right? Hinge knee brace doctor le dinu bhayo. So मैले त्यो पनि लगाए. त्यसको बादमा पनि केही पनि भएको थिएन, है? Then Ayurvedic medicines haru पनि try गरे, but it was not at all helpful. है? Nothing changed. We went to an orthopedic doctor, and orthopedic doctor को मा जाँदाखेरि चाहिँ डॉक्टरले अब मेरो खुट्टा त एकदमै ठुलो भएको थियो नि, सुन्नेर चाहिँ अब माथिदेखिको तलसम्म है सुन्नेर मैले अब चलाउनु कोसिस पनि गरेको थिइनँ, प्लस अब दुखेकोले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ it was very painful for me, so I was not at all even trying to shake my leg. Even at night also, I was sleeping in supine position. I'm एकदमै straight. I was lying down. Doctor told me, if you didn't let me to check, I won't know that in which state of your ligament tear it is. So अब मैले पनि है अलिकति अब fingers crossed गरेर चाहिँ I let him check. And at that time when he checked me, I was completely exhausted. It was very, very painful. है मैले चाहिँ अब उखानमा भनौं भने चाहिँ मैले आफ्नो चाहिँ बाजेको बिहा देखे त्यति बेला चाहिँ, and it was very painful for me. सो डक्टरले चेक गर्नुभयो है एन्ड जस्तो डक्टरले चेक गर्नुभयो एन्ड जति मैले बेन्ड गर्न सकेको थिइनँ त्यसको 70% डक्टरले बेन्ड गरिदिनु भयो एन्ड चलाइदिनु भयो मेरो खुट्टा चलाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ द्याट स्वेलिङ जति पनि स्वेलिङ थियो त्यो चाहिँ बिस्तारै 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 रिड्युस हुँदै गयो सो एट द्याट टाइम आई रियलाइज द्याट आई सुड मुभ माई लेग इफ आई डेन्ट मुभ माई लेग फेरि त्यसरी नै स्वेलिङ हुन्छ सो अहिले पनि घरिघरि वेन म 1-2 घण्टाको लागि चलाउँदिनँ नि मेरो एकदमै फिटमा स्वेलिङ हुँदै जान्छ र अब त्यो स्वेलिङ हुँदै जाँदाखेरि चाहिँ द्याट पेन लिगामेन्ट इन्जुरी पेन प्लस द्याट स्वेलिङ पेन आई वोन्ट बी एबल टु बेयर जे पनि भयो अब इट इज भेरी कम्प्लिकेटेड सो मेरो एमआरआई रिपोर्ट्स पनि अब जुन प्रकारको आयो इभन आई वाज शक्ड बिकज एक्सिडेन्ट त्यस्तो सिभियर पनि थिएन है मेरो लेग अब स्कुटीले थिचेको भए सायद बेसी हुन्थ्यो होला बट एक्सिडेन्ट वाज नट एट अल सिरियस इट वाज जस्ट अ फल सो seeing that MRI report even I was shocked my parents my relatives were shocked right? Those were there people seeing me were shocked right? It is a list I will show you there are 8 points in my MRI report there are 8 points in my MRI report and it's very severe so since 1 month I haven't walked if I try to walk म एकदमै डिसब्यालेन्स हुन्छु सो आई haven't walked for 1 month and it is like now doctor told me to do complete bed rest with ice pack compression and there are some exercises which I am doing before first week I was not at all able to bend my leg मैले आफ्नो खुट्टालाई बेन्ड गर्नु पनि सकेको थिइनँ but when doctor advised me to do some sort of exercise it helped me a lot so the kind of exercise which I am doing is first you have to lie down and after lying down you just need to hold your leg right? Hold your leg and count 10 then keep it back the same exercise you can do every hour 10 minutes and after that you should just compress your knee with your own pressure and release it compress and release it it will be very helpful and after that I'm able to bend my knees so doctor had told me to perform a major surgery which I have to do after 2 weeks it seems so अब after 2 weeks सम्म चाहिँ मैले के गर्नु पर्यो I have to take complete bed rest right plus I have to do some sort of exercise and ice pack so मैले यो चाहिँ शेयर किन गरेको भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ है मैले चाहिँ स्कुटी सिक्दै थिए 1 हप्ता भइसकेको थियो it was like nearly 1 week I was learning but that very day when I had accident त्यो दिन चाहिँ I got a little bit of confident मैले आफ्नो दुईटै खुट्टा स्कुटीमा राखेर चाहिँ चलाउनु खोज्दाखेरि चाहिँ बम्परमा ठोकेर लडेको सो I did that mistake I suggest you all not to do that mistake because ligament injury is very very dangerous and very very painful it is very common this ligament injury is very common among sportsmen and those who are learning some sort of things like this but I suggest you all not to try that thing if you are not knowing because I did that mistake है मलाई थाहा थिएन राम्रोसँगले कसरी चलाउनु even though अब मैले अलिकति कन्फिडेन्स आएर खुट्टा माथि राखेर चलाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ I lost my control so त्यो भएकोले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ अब म एकदमै लडेको छु and now I'm not able to walk I'm not able to do anything by myself है हातहरु त ठिकै छ I can do things but not with leg म हिँड्नु सकेको छुइनँ and I have to visit doctor every week or like whenever doctor calls me I have to visit him and yeah त्यही भएर तपाईहरुले चाहिँ त्यो मिस्टेक नगरिदिनुहोस् and म यो अब 1 महिनासम्म चाहिँ म नहिँड्दाखेरि चाहिँ I was very very depressive मैले अब त्यो depressive भन्नु त्यो not that kind of depression but I was like I was feeling worthless है मैले केही गर्न सकेको छैन I became disabled I'm not able to walk when I'll be able to walk I started thinking that will I be able to walk like before or not but let's see अहिले त सर्जरी भएको छैन है but I have to undergo surgeries and यो खास त मैले अब सर्जरी पहिल्यै गर्नुपर्ने थियो but मेरो 3 हप्ताको ग्याप दिनुभयो डाक्टरले doctor told me to rest for 3 weeks and the main reason doctor told me to rest for 3 weeks is मेरो जुन चाहिँ अब suppose your knees भयो हैन and in this there is an anterior cruciate ligament and medial ligament at the side है त्यो MCL and ACL. ACL is completely torn. There is complete tear of ACL. But there is only grade 2 tear of medial collateral ligament, which is at the side of your knees. That means is only grade 2. Grade 2 ma tear bhayeko cha, grade 3 bhayo bhanda अब complete bhayo, but it's just grade 2. So doctor believes that if I am taking rest and if I am doing continuous exercise for maybe 3 weeks, MCL may get reconstructed by itself. Right? So I did have my arthroscopic surgery and it's very major surgery, arthroscopic surgery with ligament reconstruction. Right? So I suggest you all be very, very careful with your ligament because ligament is very, very strong. But I don't know, मेरो case मा चाहिँ I just fell down and मेरो त्यो अब knee चाहिँ 80% damage भइसकेको छ है. Even मेरो patella को तल्लोपट्टि पनि के भएको घाउ भएको छ है. And internal injury हो सबै. बाहिर मलाई केही भएन that day है. No bleeding, nothing, no external injuries, but everything was internal and it's very severe. And if I'm not doing surgery, I'm not taking proper bed rest, not doing proper compression, ice compression, and not doing proper exercise, hey, it may get worsen. So please don't do that mistake what I did, and please be very, very careful with your ligament because of if something happened to your ligament, you won't be able to walk for 6 months. That is for sure, because अब unstable भइरहेको छ है, हिँड्नै त सकेको छैन. So you have to get your strength again. Like you have to be able to perform each and everything which you used to do before in your activities of daily living. So please don't do that mistake. I repeat it again and again. Please don't do that mistake. What I did, I regret doing that mistake. So belt दिइरहेको छ मलाई, एउटा त RM belt दिइरहेको छ मलाई डक्टरले, and I have to put that belt every time when I get down from bed. अहिले पनि मैले लगाइ नै रहेको छु. So yes, मेरो ACL मात्रै भएपा सायद अब त्यस्तो साह्रो complicated हुन्थेन, but in my case there is even a blood clot in my knees on the posterior side, means back side, and ACL, MCL tear is there, and many more things. There are many more things. Complete tear and synovial joint effusion pani bhayeko cha. So all these things, except bones, complete knee damage bhayeko cha. It is like 80%, 80 to 85% I can say. So now even though when I'm walking, I should walk with a walker in my hand, and yes, त्यही नै हो भन्नु चाहिँ. So if you have any queries about this video, if you want to ask me anything about my surgery or about my pain or whatever, you can comment down below. I will answer that questions. And yes, thank you. So that's all for today. Bye bye.